Hey guys, this is beautiful dog monogram. You can see the name written of the dog is Tyson. This is ordered by one of our customer and this looks beautiful. It is made up of quality aluminum composite material. So yes, if you have any pet, you can get it for your pet and you can paste it on any wall or maybe on cupboard or maybe on the glass or maybe nearby where your dog or your pet generally sit or sleeps. It looks beautiful. It is also a very good gifting option for anyone in your friends and relatives who have a good dog or beautiful dog. It looks very great. It comes with three different colors. This is the chocolate brown. It also comes, this is different design, but it also comes with this kind of golden mirror color, and it also comes with this silver brushed color. Again, silver brush color is our top selling color. So yes, if you want to order this beautiful dog monogram, just visit www.jadhavmonogram.com and get this beautiful loving dog monogram. See you on the other side.